PGA Championship, often referred to as the USPGA Championship or USPGA outside the United States, is an annual golf tournament conducted by the Professional Golfers Association of America. It is one of the four men's major golf championships. It was formally played in mid August on the third weekend before Labor Day weekend, serving as the fourth and final men's major of the golf season. Beginning in 2019, the tournament is played in May on the weekend before Memorial Day as the season's second major, following the Masters tournament in April. It is an official money event on the PGA Tour, European Tour, and Japan Golf Tour with a purse of $11 million for the 100th edition in 2018. In line with the other majors, winning the PGA gains privileges that improve career security. PGA champions are automatically invited to play in the other three majors: Masters Tournament, US Open, and the Open Championship, and the Players Championship for the next 5 years and are eligible for the PGA Championship for life. The Wanamaker Trophy, bestowed to the winner, is named after businessman and golfer Rodman Wanamaker, stands nearly 2.5 feet tall and weighs 27 pounds. One can enjoy watching the major championship event and golf with friends and family using on-site hospitality venues. The options include premium suites, skyboxes, and reserved
The
tables.
selection of the course for the PGA Championship is a meticulous process. It must possess a unique character, a blend of strategic design and a challenging layout that will test the mettle of the world's best golfers. The PGA Championship has witnessed the rise of true golfing legends. Players like Walter Hagen and Jack Nicklaus have etched their names in the record books with multiple victories showcasing their unparalleled skill and dominance on the course. The PGA Championship is replete with defining moments that have captivated audiences worldwide. John Daly's improbable victory in 1991, Tiger Woods' awe-inspiring performance in 2000. These are just few of the unforgettable moments that have shaped the tournament's rich history. Winning the PGA Championship brings not only immense prestige but also significant financial rewards. The champion receives a substantial winner share of the prize money, solidifying their status as one of the elite golfers in the world. The PGA Championship attracts a diverse and talented field golfers from every corner of the globe. From seasoned veterans to rising stars, players from various nationalities and backgrounds converge on the course, creating a truly international spectacle. The PGA Championship stands as a testament of enduring spirit of competition, the pursuit of excellence, and the rich history of golf. Each year, a new chapter is written, adding to the tapestry of stories and moments that make this tournament so captivating. As the sun sets on another PGA Championship, we are reminded of the power of the sport to inspire, to challenge, and to unite. It is a tournament where dreams are realized, legends are made, and the pursuit of golfing greatness knows no bounds.